The approach here, again, is a little bit different than most in that the infants are prescribed a very low dose of methadone, and that is able to be administered on an outpatient basis. So our neonatal follow-up clinic trains the parents or caregivers on administering that, and then the wean from that dose is carefully monitored over time with very regular visits to the neonatal follow-up clinic. The things that we're looking at as a team over that time in that birth and postnatal period are, again, the NAS and the treatment for withdrawal, any health concerns, of course, at the time of birth. The mother-infant bonding and attachment is key, and the approach, again, here is to encourage breastfeeding in most cases, and that concerns about very low doses of methadone or buprenorphine that may be transmitted are outweighed by the benefits of breastfeeding. So again, I don't want to speak for the neonatal experts, but in general, as a team, that's our approach, is that we are promoting breastfeeding. Karen Shea will talk a little bit more about the safety concerns and the approach of child welfare and looking at the safe home environment for the baby. We're also looking again at family supports and whether referrals need to be made for other kinds of issues that may be affecting the home environment, such as domestic violence and mental health, and providing support for parent or parents. And the implications of toxicology results would be considered. So on an ongoing basis, follow-up services are provided by the NeoMed clinic, who continues to see the baby and their mom for up to 18 months and does conduct a developmental assessment of the baby at that time. And also, the moms are continuing to receive medicated-assisted treatment and substance abuse counseling. And they may be transferring that treatment. If they've been receiving it at the hospital during their pregnancy, they would be transferring that to another provider. And I should mention, too, that while the neonatal follow-up clinic, or the NeoMed clinic, continues to see the mom and the baby, they are also establishing a primary pediatric provider who is providing pediatric, kind of regular pediatric care to that infant during that time as well. So the things that we're looking at as a collaborative during that time are, as I said, the NAS treatment and the